Hey everybody, welcome to my channel. Thank you so much for stopping by today. Today I have this that we're drawing and painting in my square art journal. It's about maybe 4 or 5 inches by 5 inches. Are these the Arteza ones? I'm trying to think. But anyways, I'm using my Jane Davenport face-to-face stamps, or stencils, I believe they're called. They come with these little heads, about 4 or 5 of them, and then they also come with a few other things, like some matching hairdos, and it's a lot of fun. I like her art. And so I just use this. Of course, you could use any part of these stencils. You don't have to commit. You could tilt the heads. You can do all sorts of things. I have a few videos coming up using these in different capacities because they're just so much fun. I can draw faces, but, you know, sometimes you just want a little help. I've been sick, of course, again lately, and both me and my son. And so this time I've got company, sadly. But and anyways, so just making some art. So just drawing in some hair. I'm using my Inktense pencils here with her. And those are a lot of fun to use because they have nice control with as a color pencil, but then you can activate them. You don't have to, but you can activate them and they just come alive. And once they dry, they are permanent, so you can't lift them up, which is great if you're doing layering and you don't want to move your bottom layer, opposed to regular watercolor pencils, which would eventually reactivate if you added enough water. And so I'm just giving her a little outfit here, kind of a little schoolgirl with her headband. I think part of that was still wet. That's why that was kind of came out boldly there. So using some purples and whatever I've got there lying around on my desktop. But yeah, these are fun. Do you guys have these? Do you love using them? Let me know in the comments below. Stencils are fun because sometimes you're having you need a little oomph, you know, and it's nice to have that sort of encouragement there with the stencil where you don't feel like you're staring at the blank page and oh no, where do I start? Where's she looking? What does she look like? I don't know. Yeah, check out the links below, guys, and hit like, share, and subscribe. I've got lots of fun things going in the Etsy shop. I've got some neat Canva frames that you can use in junk journaling and art, collage, and so forth, digital planners. Check that out. I'm kind of struggling with my Etsy shop. They've made a lot of changes that some of the sellers, we kind of aren't able to, it's just not how we work, and they've let in a lot of some of these sort of, I don't know, I don't want to call names, but you know, kind of drop ship kind of deals, and in the sense that you can just tell those shops, you know what I'm saying? But and so they've sort of flooded the market, and it makes it harder for the little guy to be found, etc., etc. But anyway, if you want to go give it a look, that would be a blessing. Now I'm going in with what is like a micron pen, and I'm just giving some bold detail out now that I had my base colors down, and just giving some definition. And certainly don't have to do this step, but I don't know, I tend to do it because it's kind of nice to add in that detail. And what else am I going to do here? Let's see. Giving her some hair. I'll probably whip out the Posca pen if I remember correctly. 9.999 out of 10. I do. If I can find it. But yeah, fun little faces. It comes with lots of different sort of, you can give some ethnicity to them and whatnot, some features, and nice variety in your artwork, and so forth. There, gave her some nose shade, give her some lips, and some blush. Yeah, they're fun. I don't know if you've checked those out or whatnot, but it's hard to find a ton of videos on YouTube that people using them. I don't know. I'm sure they're selling lots of them. There's my white Posca pen, of course. Just giving some white pops of detail. Super fun. Yeah, thanks guys so much for joining me during this video. I hope you hit that subscribe button so you can be notified when the next one is, and that you will share this and check out those links. Thank you for supporting artists, and have a great day.